Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Repair. If you're seeing a P0262 code pop up on your scanner and wondering what it means, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're breaking down what P0262 means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. So let's get into it. The P0262 code means Cylinder 1 Injector Circuit High. It's a generic powertrain code, which means it applies to all OBD-equipped vehicles. That's most cars from 1996 and newer. This specific code tells us that the fuel injector for cylinder 1 is receiving more voltage or staying open longer than it should. Common causes of P0262. Number 1. Faulty fuel injector. Injector may be shorted internally. Mechanical failure causing it to stay open too long. Resistance is lower than expected. Check resistance with a multimeter. Typical spec: 12-16 ohms for many injectors. Replace injector if resistance is too low or inconsistent. Number 2. Shorted or open injector. Wiring: frayed, pinched, or melted wires. Wiring harness rubbing against hot or moving engine parts. Water or oil contamination in the wiring. Use a wiring diagram to trace the circuit. Repair or replace damaged wires. Number 3. Poor electrical connections. Loose or corroded connectors at the injector or ECM. Broken or bent pins inside connectors. If a pin is broken, corroded beyond repair, or wire insulation is cracked. Number 4. ECU PCM fuel injector. Driver failure. The circuit inside the ECU that controls the injector is damaged. Can happen due to overheating, internal short, or power surge. Use a scan tool or lab scope to watch injector signal. If no signal or constant signal is present, suspect ECU issue. Number 5. Corrosion or dirt in injector connector. Moisture ingress can lead to corrosion or shorts. Grease, oil, or dirt can interfere with proper connection. Loose or corroded connectors at the injector or ECM. Broken or bent pins inside. Connectors: clean with electrical contact cleaner. Replace broken or corroded connectors, and that's it. Hopefully, this gives you a solid understanding of the P0262 code and how to deal with it. Got any questions or your own fix stories? Drop them in the comments below. Car repair pro tips. Use an OBD2 scanner to read trouble codes before swapping parts. Many issues aren't what they seem. Check forums or YouTube for people with your exact model. Symptoms often point to common fixes. When taking things apart, label wires, bolts, and parts using tape or bags. This avoids the "where did this go" moment. Don't over-tighten bolts, especially spark plugs, lug nuts, or anything aluminum. Use a torque wrench and look up specs. Disconnect the battery, especially for electrical work. This avoids blown fuses or fried modules. Thanks for watching.